this is just gonna be really like a talk through video. I don't actually have my wigs, because if you guys can tell, I am actually driving. So I realized that I haven't really given you guys much more of an update on my Freedom Couture wigs. So we're in August. This actually marks a year since I purchased my first Freedom Couture wig. Best investment ever. I now have 3 of her wigs. I'm technically looking for a 4th, but I have I know exactly what I'm looking for. So the wig that I'm wearing is from Kendras Boutique, the 30-inch wig. Definitely not impressed. I would definitely like to get a wig like this from Freedom Couture, but I know that's gonna run like easily $2 grand because her hair quality is there. So that would really be like my next major wig purchase, but as it's not 100% necessary, and I just bought this wig and wasted money, and I bought hair from, I don't want to mention another company. Well, actually, I'm going to mention other companies so you guys understand. I got hair from Yummy Extensions, and I feel as though I wasted my money because this hair is not wearable. That hair is not wearable. Now, you guys are probably like, well, you're saying this hair is not wearable, but yet you're in your car going out. I filmed a video for you guys today where I was giving you an update on this wig and a couple other videos, and that's the reason why I have this hair in my head. Terrible. But aside from that, I would not be wearing this or going out with this because every 2 seconds I'm clearing the wig out because it's tangled. The wind blows and it's like sticking up and it's like tangled. Like you guys know I'm not about that life. I told you, like, this is not really how I normally look. If you guys see that video that I put up where I was showing you guys how I do roll my face, with the exception of my face not being that dry, that's typically how I look on a day-to-day basis with a wig on, of course, because I'm crazy, but I ain't that crazy. But yeah, so I don't really care how I look on a regular basis, but when I go out and I, put myself together, I want everything to be flawless. And the minute I don't get that because of some hair that I spent my money on, I'm gonna be tight. I'm just gonna be tight, and that's just what it is. So this would not be a wig that I would wear out because yeah, it tangles all the time. The Yummy Extensions hair would not be hair that I wear out because it tangles all the time. But I feel like I'm going off topic here. But back to my Freedom Couture wigs. Like I said, I've had those wigs for the first one for about a year, and they're everything. Like, I mean, nothing about it has changed. Now the third one that I got it when she had a sale. It was originally black. I dyed the front brown, and then I eventually dyed the whole thing, but I ended up doing that right after I had a death in the family, and I didn't film it, and I damaged the mess out of that hair. And when I say I damaged the mess out of the hair, I mean, yeah, I tried something that I saw or heard about, and I thought I was going to leave it on there for hours, and then I smelled something burning, and that was the hair. And even after all of that, you would never be able to tell that the hair is damaged. So, like, for multiple reasons, her hair is worth it. I mean, the quality is there. I damaged the hair and it still looks really, really good. So my next wig investment is going to be one. I want a 30-inch wig because this just ain't it. You guys see that? That tangling? This ain't it. And I want something that's good quality, and I definitely get that with Freedom Couture. But look at this. Look at this. Terrible, terrible, terrible. So yeah, and they tried to pin this, the way this looks, on me as buyer's remorse. Now, anybody knows me, I will spend a grip on hair. It's not the money, it's the principle. There is no buyer's remorse about this. This is not buyer's remorse. This is just, I see something on influencers and I don't get it. Yeah, so I'll clear this out. All right, you guys will see it looks good. And you guys have been with me in the car. All right, I'll clear it out. It looks good. All right, it looks really good. And it'll tangle all over again. Not what I spent $640 on. And I get it, $640 for a 30-inch wig. It's just like, but bump your price up. if you feel as though you can't offer a quality product. But neither here nor there. So I have a couple videos, like I said, that I filmed today. One about this hair and my experience with their customer service. But yeah, that pretty much wraps us up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.